What's the meaning of bathrobe? Bathrobe. Bathrobe.
Bathrobe. Bathrobe. A bathrobe is a type of clothing item typically worn after bathing or swimming. It is designed to be worn over one's regular clothing and can be made from a variety of fabrics such as cotton, silk, or terry cloth. Bathrobes can range in length from short to ankle length and may feature different styles such as hooded or shawl collar. They are often used for lounging at home, but can also be worn for outdoor activities such as camping or going to the beach. The use of a bathrobe helps keep one warm and dry while also providing a comfortable and relaxed feel.